We're out at the Walkerton Police Department doing a constitutional audit.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good. What can I do for you?
Is Officer Shalolilo, whatever you want, how do you say that name?
Yeah, Leo.
Is he here?
I think so.
Can I have a word with him real quick?
Yeah, what's your name?
Mr. Bradley.
What did you need to speak to us about?
About the traffic stop earlier. That's what I needed to talk to him about real quick.
I'll be right out for you.
Okay, thank you. What is your name, by the way, dispatch person?
Julia.
Julia, thank you for what you do. We appreciate you.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Look me up on YouTube, We the People First.
Okay. All right.
You're going to be on there. Good public servant over there. How's it going? Good to see you again. So, real quick, when I was coming over the hill, have you ever, from a distance, been able to see where the sign is located? When
For
you're going
45?
for 45, yeah. Do you?
Yep.
Okay. So, do you want me to show you a picture real quick of what the sign looks like in that area? Because I literally went and took a picture of it, and from my view, from where I went and pulled my vehicle in the same area, and from where I was coming from, you can't see that 45 mile per hour sign until you hit over that.
So you were in the 35 mile an hour speed zone before you got to the 45 mile an hour speed zone, which is where I clocked your speed.
Okay.
Okay.
So you were over at is it Paycomb? What was it? What is that place called?
Polygon.
Polygon. Okay. So you said 30. You pulled me over for a 35 mile per hour speed zone. You said.
You were in a 35 mile an hour speed zone doing 53.
Doing 53.
Okay. What is your question?
So my question, I'm just inquiring. I'm not trying
Because
to.
I'm going to tell you, I gave you a warning for providing a expired insurance card and also for providing an expired registration card. Okay. Those are citable offenses that I could have written you tickets for.
No, I'm not saying that. This is not this interaction.
I'm not here to argue with you about your speed. That's what court's for. You have a court date on your ticket. If you're not happy with your ticket, you can show up in court and talk to the judge about it. Aside from that, I have nothing more to say. Is there anything else you need from me?
No, I mean, you just could have just been a little bit more respectful about it. That's all.
I was very respectful. I gave you 2 warnings instead of 3 tickets. Do you have anything else?
No, I think it would be more appropriate to show you the picture than
Julia.
town council. But you're saying here you could have wrote me 3 tickets.
Okay.
All right.
Do you have your body camera on?
I sure do.
Good, I'll need that. I need the body camera footage request form for you guys, and I need his name and, well, I already know his name, badge, and I'm not concerned about that. But I need that additional information if I could get it. At least they got some good dispatchers down here. Oh boy. And he's wrong. It was not posted. A 35 mile per hour speed limit sign was not posted. And the 45 mile per hour speed limit was not, you could not see it. So how is somebody supposed to know what the speed limit is if it's not posted appropriately? Which way I was trying to explain to him. Walkerton Police Department in Walkerton, Indiana. They charge all these things for these things. Incident reports, $10. All these different prices for stuff. And for the record, I did have insurance and all that other stuff. He said my thing was expired, but I was trying to give him the other one, and they were just all in my pile, so I couldn't give it to him. So
We don't have an official request form. We'll have you email the records. So I'll give you all of that and then the pricing as well. So you can give me a second.
yeah, I just need it for. I'm filing a motion to dismiss with the prosecutor, so I know I've already communicated with the prosecutor's office on it because I understand that you guys have, like, the problem is you guys have how the sign is posted on going out of town, and I'll show you here in a minute, but it's so hard to be able to see the sign from the distance. You're coming over the hill over there by Polyground, you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
He said he pulled me over for a 35 mile per hour zone, but I was already in the 45 miles per hour zone, so I'm confused how he pulled me over for 35 when I was in a 45 mile per hour zone. And you're talking to somebody who knows the law, because I'm going to school for the law. I'm studying to become a civil rights attorney. So I know the law very well. That's all I do. You can look me up on my case if you really want to and see my work. But the problem is that, you have to have probable cause, which he stated he pulled me over for that, and I get that, and that's fine. I'm not debating whether that. It's the being able to see where the sign is. And from where I was coming from, you cannot see the 45 mile per hour sign, if that makes sense.
Okay.
Like this right